सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत को जिया खान की मां राबिया खान ने हत्या करार दिया है। यही नहीं, राबिया ने ये भी कहा कि उनकी बेटी की ही तरह सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को भी फंसाया गया। उन्हें पहले प्यार दिखाया गया, फिर उन्हें कंट्रोल किया गया, परिवार से दूर कर दिया गया और फिर मार दिया गया। राबिया ने आरोप लगाया है कि ये सब बॉलीवुड के कुछ क्रिमिनल माइंडेड लोगों के नेक्सस के शह पर हो रहा है और यदि इन्हें नहीं रोका गया तो ये लोग राक्षस बन जाएंगे। हमारे सहयोगी चैनल टाइम्स नाउ से बातचीत में राबिया खान ने कहा कि वो पहले दिन से सुशांत के लिए इंसाफ मांग रही हैं। सुशांत के साथ भी उनकी बेटी की तरह अन्याय हुआ है। राबिया ने कहा कि जिस तरह उनकी बेटी जिया खान की मौत को सुसाइड का रूप दिया गया, उसी तरह सुशांत के केस में भी हुआ। राबिया ने फिर कहा कि उनकी बेटी की भी हत्या हुई क्योंकि उसे इसके लिए उकसाया गया। आइए देखते हैं पूरी बातचीत और जानते हैं राबिया ने और क्या कुछ कहा।
I had been supporting Sushant Singh because the death of Jia Khan and Sushant is so same. It's so pathetic to see how the similarities are, you know. Both, I have to say, both their partners had conned them in a sense, like they trapped them first and, with bombarding with love and then, promises of marriage and sponging of the money and then controlling them, isolating them from their families and loved ones. And then when the control is slipping, then kill them and stage their death. And then they go under the umbrella of the politicians and politicians put pressure on police that don't investigate into it. So police definitely, has to listen to the governing bodies and they don't do anything. Now you tell me, in India, so many murders take place every day. Does police and politicians raise their voice? I want to ask, how many murder cases happen and nobody raises the voice of voice? No politician will raise the voice. The Sushant Singh's case and Jia Khan's case. Why? Because their own people are involved, because their own children are involved into it, and that is why they've got to protect.
All right.
Do you understand? And they don't allow. CBI was investigating, and the murder angle. They put so much pressure on CBI officer that, I'm launching the boy. Please don't interrogate him. Don't ask him question. So what kind of investigation is that? And I hope that that CBI does not face this in Sushant's case. I will be as it is. I am disappointed, but I hope this does not happen. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I hope it will not happen.
Saying that there's a cover-up on part of the police and the government?
Yes, 100%. So many deaths happen. So, people have been killed in Hyderabad. The case is going in Mumbai. There is no jurisdiction problem. Why now every book of law is seen and read in this case? Why? Why so many things coming up now? Why politicians raising voice? Who is Riya Chakravarti? Who is Surat Pancholi? You tell me, what is their connection with the politicians? What is their connection with the Bollywood icons, So there is definitely something. That is why they are being protected. That is why such noise and so much hoo-ha is happening, is because these poor little children like Sushant and Jia Khan and Disha Salian has been killed. And this is why I will say the entire nation has to stand, because this has to stop, because otherwise these evil, criminal, narcissistic, psychopathic criminals, they will become monsters, and I don't know how many deaths will happen in Bollywood.
So you're suggesting there is a nexus, because yes, the call data records do reveal that Riya was in touch with some senior police official.
The police officials called me also. We did not know what is the background of Surat Pancholi, what is the background of his father or whatever. I live in London. Though I was in Bollywood, but I left Bollywood 30 years ago. So I was not in touch with anybody. And my daughter was there. She goes, totally innocent, pure soul goes over there, exploring her talent, and then he comes flattering her with everything that a woman wants to hear. And then that was a trap. And after that he started abusing her, and she got shocked. What is happening?